Welcome back to the channel, another episode of Walkthrough Wednesday. Today we're looking at another brand new ATC. This is the 2026 PLAY550. Model on this on the floor plan is a 3217. We'll roll the intro and get right into her.
Got an RP review, come and hear what I say. From the bedroom to the kitchen, all the nooks and crannies. Tune in every Wednesday, it'll be amazing. Walk through Wednesday, come take a tour. Check every feature and do what know. Walk through Wednesday, hit the road with me. Tune in every Wednesday, it'll be amazing.
Walking around the outside here, I'm not going to dwell a lot on the outside stuff. If you go back to any of my videos on any of the 550s, if you've seen one, you've kind of seen them all. But this one we did order with the gas tank, so you can fill up your toys. You've got the sewer up here, water heater, furnace, city water connection, shower, storage there. We did order this one with the generator, so it does have the Yamaha generator on it. All kinds of storage, and of course your fuel to fill up your toys with. But let's go to the inside and we'll take a look at that. Okay, so starting up front here, just like the new 2816s, they've put the bed on a slide, so I can just flip this up and it'll raise the bed up out of the way. So during the day you've got access to that storage down underneath. You've got tons of extra room to move and walk around in here. There's some storage up in here, just like the 2016. The front of this is exactly like a 2016. There's no difference whatsoever. You've got your storage up here like it. And the lighting up above, you've got, you tap that once, you've got the blue, gives you a little bit of a night light, then your reading light, and then off. USB 110, more storage all up there. We ordered this one with the television in the bedroom, GE profile air conditioners. So when it's time to hit the hay, you just drop this down and that bed will lay completely flat. I'll drop it down and show you what you end up with for room to get around. You could kind of go sideways here and sneak in back there. It's going to be the same over here. So I could kind of move. Yeah, I can't walk straight, but I can move sideways all the way back to the other side. So very tight to get in there for sleeping mode, but for during the day you've got much better space around it. Let's move up here. Pocket door. So you do have a nice pocket door up here. You can pop that, bring that door shut, and it does have a little lock here to lock shut. So you got to push the little button to get that to unlock and release it and open it back up. This is for keeping it open on moving day. Bathroom's going to be the same as the other ones. We ordered this with the gray cabinets in it. So you got some lighting up underneath. Nice lighting there. Tons of room inside your cabinet there. You've got a lot of space up here for towels, toiletries, whatever you need to put up there. And the same shower as the other ones. So huge amount of space in here. As you can see, I can touch the ceiling, but barely. And this rod will move out to give you a lot of shoulder space while you're in here in the shower. And of course, we've got the Thefford foot flush toilet here. And let's take a test. And of course I knew, because I've done this on before, tons of elbow room that side, so most definitely Fluffy certified on that. They do put the solid surface countertops in here, stainless steel sink. So that's kind of awesome features there. You do have a GFI outlet here, so if mama needs to plug in the hair dryer or what have you, you can do that in there. Then we're going to come back out into the kitchen area. They've done this just a little bit different. You don't have a lot of counter space over here, so they added this flip-up table. When you're hauling your toys, this will just release here and fold down. So that can give you some extra space there. We'll go over those specs too. So you got some decent drawer space here. Some more here, all soft closed as well. Space up underneath there. Soft close as well. Pots and pan drawer. You've got a convection microwave there. 2-burner stovetop. Huge sink area. So tons of space into that. A lot of counter space up here, or excuse me, cabinet space. All back in. All aluminum, adjustable shelves, soft close. Again, same as on this side. So a ton more storage up there. You've got some more storage up here. Across from that, you've got your kitchen table that will fold down. There are 2 chairs strapped down there for it. That can be moved because if you look at that black rail across the bottom, the LifeTrac system, that can come off, it can come forward, it can move backwards. You can put that anywhere you want it. More cabinets up here. And inside of this one, you've actually got your AM/FM Jensen radio. You can connect that to Bluetooth. Speakers on the inside, speakers on the outside. More storage up into there. And you got more LifeTrac rail up here, so you can put more cabinets up there. You can put all kinds of cabinets up on this side. TV up over there. Fold down bench here. Bench seat, and it can actually be put into a table mode as well. And then you've got the Happy Jack bed. You can order the Happy Jack. We didn't on this one. You can hook into here the brackets for the Happy Jack bench. We just ordered it with this one instead of the others. Now, there's a little trick to these beds, the way these are designed. Let me put that down for you real quick.
A few moments later.
So, with the current configuration, you're probably familiar with the Happy Jack beds. They'll come down to that far. Then you might have benches that would come down. That would fold out to another queen bed. There is something here, though. Let me pull it up a little bit, and I'll show you something you can do with this. Okay, so inside these rails, you can kind of see this little gold block in here. Each rail has one of those gold blocks. That is actually a stop for where the bed goes. You can do a couple different things with that. There's a couple other holes in here where you can actually move that down into a different spot and lower that bed down. But that'll only give you a couple inches. If you take that gold block all the way out, this bed will come all the way down to where the bottom benches would be. So, older folks like me, you don't want to have to climb up a ladder to get into there. You simply take those blocks out. Let's take a look. You got the nice big Furrion refrigerator here. Huge space there. That's 12 volt. This does have solar. It came with, we ordered it with 2 lithium batteries. You've got your breaker box up into here. Fuses up in the top there. This switch turns all your 12 volt on and off into here. So all those electronics are up there. So tons and tons of storage length in here. I mean, I'm standing here now next to the refrigerator, and you can see this is actually the 3217 is the longest floor plan that they make. This thing's about 38 foot long total length. We'll go in, I'll sit down. We've got a little bit of rain today, so I'll do it indoors. We'll sit down in there and I'll give you all the numbers on this. Okay, to start with, I got a few specs for you for the length of the garage area and what you can fit in. So if I show you that the table that drops down, if you go from the back door, the ramp door, to that table, you've actually got 12 foot 10 inch clearance, and that is 97 inches wide. Now if you put the table down, you can get 15 foot 3 inches with that 97 inches. However, if you leave the table up, you've only got 70 1/4 inch clearance across one side to the other. Then if you've got a total from the ramp door all the way up to the refrigerator counter, you've got 17 foot 5 inches, and that would only be the 70 1/4 inches wide at that point, because you've got the countertop and such in the way. So let's hit the numbers here. Okay, so if this is the first video you've ever seen on ATCs, let me give you a little background on them. They've been around for quite a few years. Started out doing car hauler type trailers. Someone down the line asked them to put a bathroom or in a counter or kitchen. So what they've done is they started creating RVs out of them. All aluminum, all aluminum framing, aluminum skin on the outside, everything aluminum except the axles, which are steel, so no wood to rot anywhere in them. Excellent built units. Like I said, this one is a 2026. This is the PLAY550. Model is 3217. And I'll put a QR code up here on the corner for you. If you scan that, it'll take it to our website and you'll see pricing there. That is a manufactured advertised price, not necessarily the price you would pay for it. Certainly give me a call. You should have my number on the screen. I'll give it to you here in a little bit as well. But give me a call and we can definitely work out a deal on that for you. Let's go over the numbers. Like I said, out in the unit, length on this is 38 foot. Height 11 foot 6 inches, width 8 foot 6. Internal height is 7 foot 6. The garage width is 96 inches. Garage height is 90 inches. Dry weight 9,230 pounds. GVRW 13,200, giving you a cargo capacity of 3,970. Hitch weight 1,930 pounds. Fuel tank on this for the toys and the generator are 36 gallon. It does have two 6,000-pound axles. They are the torsion axles, so not your standard leaf springs type suspension. So it's going to give you a lot better ride. It does have power stabilizers and power tongue jack. Tanks on this, we got a 100-gallon freshwater tank. That's huge, 100 gallon. You don't find that too often. Gray tank is 45, black tank is 45, 6-gallon Suburban hot water heater, 25,000 BTU Suburban furnace, 15,000 BTU air conditioner in the living area and in the bedroom. So two of those. Those are both the GE profiles. This is a 50 amp trailer. We did order it with the 200 watt solar. It does have a 30 amp charge controller, 100K, 100,000 watt inverter, 6K generator. Side awning on it is 25 foot long. That refrigerator is a 10 cubic foot Furrion 12 volt unit. And let's see. Bedroom bed is a king. The Happy Jack, of course, is the queen. 32-inch TV in the living area and in the bedroom. And heated, of course, underbelly. No washer dryer prep on these. They do have tank heaters, as well as they wrap the lines. So the water lines that come from the freshwater tank up into the unit, that's all wrapped. So those stay warm and don't freeze. And let's see, tires on this, 235 80/16 10 plies. It is prepped for backup camera. And it looks like that's all the specs I got on it, guys. Again, I'll put that QR code up here again. Again, scan that. That'll take you to our website. You can get the manufacturer's advertised price. If you want a better price than that, which of course you do, give me a call. My number I put up on the screen here is 319-775-0312, or you can email me at rkolosik@atcrvcenter.com. If you're in the Cedar Rapids, Iowa area, as always, if you want to stop by and see it, we can surely set that up. Address here is 850 66th Avenue, Cedar Rapids, Iowa, 52404. And again, as always, guys, happy camping. We'll see you on the next one.